Welcome to this school management class, and this class is specifically offered to the third semester students of the English Language and Education Study Program. Before we go further, it is worth noting that the course was firstly initiated by Bapak Bismoko, Ibu Veronica and I decided to further develop it, making it more relevant to today's challenge. In this first video, we will address a couple of issues that will guide our courses throughout the semester. 4 issues that we need to address include course description, course goals, assessments, materials, as well as learning strategies. And then we are now discussing the course description. So we cannot deny that teachers play multiple roles in their service. And there are at least 6 possibilities, including a homeroom teacher or guru wali kelas, a coordinator of co-curricular activities, a vice principal, a school principal, even a supervisor, or another education official. So you as prospective teachers or teacher candidates in the future certainly need management competence to enable you to get involved in school businesses more actively, critically, and wisely in due time. So we are at the moment want to discuss about the target competences core goals. So the question is, what are the learning outcomes? In order to guide our learning, we need to be very clear of what we really want to reach by the end of the class. Our learning becomes only meaningful when we set certain stepping stones that we refer to as a guideline. The question that we need to ask is, what are the competence standards that we want to reach? Here we have at least 3 competence standards, namely holistic outlook of school management and school-based management, a current school management technology, and current school accreditation. Now let's talk about the first competence standard. Students will develop a holistic outlook of school management and school-based management. Why holistic? Is it because we really want to address this issue as a whole part, not in an atomistic way? And it should be made as comprehensive as possible. Second, students will develop a better understanding of current school management technology. And technology is certainly one of the keys in our human lives. And we cannot deny that technology has become an inevitable part of our life. Therefore, we need to ensure that we become knowledgeable to the utilization of technology in school. And third, we intend to address how current school accreditation management is formulated. We live in the socio-regulative space. It means that the government has set many requirements for educational institutions to follow. And it is clear that accreditation has become a tool used to control schools and educational institutions. So, these are the 4 target competence or core goals that we are going to address to reach. And last, let's briefly address the assessment distribution for the class. There are at least 4 types of assessments. and we require you to participate actively in the class, so that will compose of 20% of the final score, and the mid-semester test, this is the second 20% or 1/5 of it, and the final report and semester test both will cover 30% each. In total, you will have 100%. So this is the general orientation of the course, and the detail will follow.